Subjects and predicates. Learn the difference in 4 minutes. Sentences consist of 2 basic parts: subjects and predicates. The subject. The subject tells whom or what the sentence is about. The predicate. The predicate tells something about the subject. In the following examples, note that the subject or the predicate may consist of one word or more than one word. Note also that the subject may appear before or after the predicate or between parts of the predicate. For example, lightning struck. Lightning is the subject and struck is the predicate. Another example, everyone enjoyed watching Titanic. Everyone is the subject and enjoyed watching Titanic is the predicate. Another example, all of the flowers bloomed. All of the flowers is the subject and bloomed is the predicate. Another example, into the sky soared the company's jet. Into the sky soared is the predicate and the company's jet is the subject. Another example, where did your family go on vacation? Where did is the predicate. The subject is your family. Go on vacation is another part of the predicate. Let's practice. Find the subject or the predicate in each sentence. Let's go. Countries vary in size and population. What's the answer? What's the subject in this sentence? The subject is countries. Both the director and the screenwriter were fired. Find the predicate. Time's up. The predicate is were fired. The phone rang. Find the subject. The subject is the phone. Over the goalpost went the ball. Find the predicate. Over the goalpost went, that's the predicate. How do you want to pay? Find the predicate. The predicate is how do and want to pay. Great job, guys! See you next time. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.